Welcome to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today we are preparing hot cross buns, which are lovely, sticky, spiced, sweet buns made with lots of mixed fruit and marked with a cross on top. It's traditionally eaten on a Good Friday. The recipe is really simple and easy, so let's get started. Ingredients to make the glaze. Ingredients to make the crosses. And lastly, the ingredients to make the buns. Note that all ingredients should be at room temperature. Preparation. Preheat the oven to the temperature shown. Method to make the glaze. Add the water to the sugar and microwave for 30 seconds. Remove from the microwave and set aside to cool. Method to make the crosses. Add the required amount of water to the plain flour and mix. Add in the icing sugar and mix until it reaches thick piping consistency. Add in the mixture into a piping bag which has been fitted with a piping nozzle. Lastly, the method to make the buns. Add in all the ingredients needed to make the buns except the mixed fruits. Using a dough hook, start off at a low speed and increase to medium speed. Knead for 5 to 6 minutes. The dough will leave the sides of the bowl completely. This can also be done by hand. You will need to knead for 10 minutes and it makes a good workout. Add in the mixed fruits and knead to combine. Cover and set aside in a warm place to proof for 1 hour or until it doubles in size. Tip the dough onto a floured surface and divide into 12 equal portions. Shape the dough into balls. Arrange them in rows on a 12 by 8 baking tray which has been lined with parchment paper or grease-proof paper. Cover the tray with an oiled cling film and set aside in a warm place to proof for 1 hour or until it doubles in size. Once it has doubled in size, pipe crosses on the buns. Bake for 15 to 18 minutes or until golden. Rotate the tray halfway through after 8 minutes for even baking. When done, remove from the oven and brush the glaze over the tops of the hot buns. The bread is done when it sounds hollow when tapped. Place on a wire rack to cool completely. Enjoy! If you liked this simple and easy recipe, be sure to like, share and subscribe to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy.